Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from whichever time zone you're listening to me from. Hi, I'm Nayan Agarwal. I'm an emotional wellness and a success coach. Before I say anything, just subscribe to this channel and press on the bell icon below so that you get the notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel, which is quite a few times every week. So, many people ask me, what is the need for self development when there is nothing wrong with us or nothing wrong going on in our lives? So, usually it is that they are looking at where they are successful, which is mostly in their work spheres. They are doing well in their work, they are doing well financially, they may be doing well in their relationship, maybe moderately well, or not so well in their health. So, what exactly is personal development? It is getting to the bottom of what is not working for you, not working for you as a whole, not in, maybe you're successful in one aspect and not so well in the others. So, when we keep looking at the the parts of our life which are successful and ignoring the parts which are not so doing so well, the tendency over a period of time is for this part which is not working to pull down this success. So let me give you an example. If you're doing really well in your work and your money situation is excellent, but your health is not so good, or your relationships are not so good, do you think that you will be able to get real happiness from the success that you achieve in your career? Not really, isn't it? So, what is real success? Real success is having everything that you want the way you want in every aspect of your life. So, are you there? If not, then what do you have to do about it? What are you willing to do about it? Is what your journey into self development will be about. So many people read books and they gather the knowledge. You see, there are various states of development. So if you're just reading books or maybe attending some seminar or listening to some videos and gaining the knowledge from there, maybe the awareness also. See what happens when you gain the knowledge and don't work on it. So if you're just reading a book and then keeping it aside and not doing anything about it, so you have the knowledge, the brain has kind of taken in the knowledge, and the misery then that comes is that you're aware of more ways in which your life is not really working, but you're not really doing anything about it. The next step is delving into understanding how that knowledge applies in your life. When you know how it applies and you know that this is the way, this is the pattern you're carrying, or these are the things which are not working for you because some things are unresolved in your past experiences. So you have that knowledge too, but then you really don't know what to do about it. The real journey starts when you have delved into the past and are actually releasing that trauma, which is somewhere stored in the body and mind. That is what self development is about. It is not about thinking what is wrong with me. I had this client with whom I was talking in the morning today, and as his patterns were emerging, he was very resistant to the fact that he felt that I don't want to know what is wrong with me. Then I had to explain it to him that it is not that something is wrong with you, there are some parts that are not working for you yet. So it's like in a machinery or a anything that is not working, we go to the part which needs tweaking, right? So we just adjust that or maybe repair that, and then the whole machinery runs in a smooth way. So that is what we do when we go into self development. It is not that something is wrong with us, it is just something that is stuck in our space and preventing us from moving ahead into the full successful life that we really want. So when we say that, oh, but I have a successful career and I have a lot of money, we are actually diverting the attention from the parts which are not really working for us. So what prevents us from having that holistic life, holistic happiness, and contentment and achievement and success in our lives. It is only ourselves or our resistance to accepting that some parts of us need that tweaking. Are you willing to explore into your self development journey and go on from there? Believe me, the benefits are huge. You will understand only when you start on the journey and you make a certain progress being on that journey. Just think about it, guys. Bye for now.